Oh my God, si Audris.
Audris. Grabe.
Ito, like honestly, una sobrang galing niya. Sobrang mind blown first few seconds of singing. You know the kid has something else that y- some people are just born with it, and she's one of those. But honestly, I didn't think she would choose us. Kasi parang ano, ako na feel ko lang na parang mas pipiliin niya yung ibang coaches until that moment na kinakanta daw nila nung kuya niya yung song.
Ano siya parang, honestly, sobrang galing yun. Minsan kasi pag sobrang galing nung contestant, parang meron akong subconscious thing na baka di kami piliin or okay lang kahit di kami mapili. So, nung sinabi niya yung kinakanta niya Libs, parang wala, minsan di mo kailangan pilitin yung mga meant to be na bagay. Pero I think more than anything, what meant to be means for us is we really want to help others. So, we'll do our best.
Sobrang galing niya, and such an honor to be able to welcome her into Team Bencada. So, Audris, gagabayan ka namin. Pero sa totoo lang, sobrang galing mo na. Pero nandito kami mga kuya mo, si Kuya B1 and B2, para sa'yo. Welcome to Bencada.